Hi, everyone. Deb Timmerman here, certified reflexologist in face and ear reflexology, here with a Wellness Wednesday tip to encourage relaxation, promote circulation, and restore health. Today, I'm talking about the first of two solar plexus points. You can see exactly where it is on the diagram. It's located just in front of the tragus, that little bump in the middle of your ear. And if you feel right in there, you can feel a little notch. That's the first of those points. That's the tranquility point. So feel around, find that point. Use firm but moderate pressure on that tranquility point to help with anxiety, to help you calm down, to help you relax. I like to use this point with some heart-focused breathing before I go to sleep. So that's just focusing your attention in the area of your heart, imagining your breath going in and out of the center of your chest, middle of your heart space, breathing a little slower and a little deeper than usual, and holding pressure on that point. When I'm in bed doing that, I can just kind of feel that relaxation take over, and I sort of melt, and pretty soon I'm sawing logs and I'm out like a light. You can learn more about the tranquilizer point in this week's blog on my website at lessstressinlife.com. That's lessstressinlife.com. Next week, we'll cover the second solar plexus point. Thanks for watching.